When it comes to getting the job done right, not all abrasives are created equal. Dura-Gold is the trusted name in high-performance sanding and surface prep. Built for professionals and do-it-yourselfers who demand results. With over 20 years of proven performance, Dura-Gold offers a complete line of premium sandpaper, sanding blocks, DA discs, grinding tools, masking film, gloves, brushes, and more. Whether you're restoring a classic car, painting a project piece, or finishing your latest build, Duragold delivers unmatched consistency, durability, and value. Every product is engineered for precision, comfort, and control. Because the finish matters. Exclusively available from TCP Global, Dura-Gold is relied on by thousands across the automotive, marine, woodworking, and painting industries. Dura-Gold. Finish strong, every surface, every time.